is the last person to know. On behalf of the Missouri Association of Secondary School Principals, it is my honor to announce the 2019 Missouri Middle School Principal of the Year, Dr. Cassandra Worley.
And today, we are so happy to honor Dr. Worley because she always gives 100%.
And so I couldn't be more honored to be the principal at Sager Middle School and work with